Okay, so your phone rings, you don't hear it, you miss the call, or worse, it's the doctor, the school, or your mum. If your Android's ringing too quiet or not ringing at all, it's almost never broken. It's one of 4 settings gone rogue. Let's fix them in order. First one, and it's the one nobody spots. Press the volume button on the side of your phone. You'll see one slider, media volume. That's the wrong one. See the down arrow beside it. Tap that. Then there's 3 sliders that drop down. The one you want is ring. Drag it up to the top. That alone fixes it for half the people watching this. Second thing, swipe down twice from the top of your screen for the full quick settings panel. Look for a crescent moon icon, that's do not disturb. If it's lit up, tap it off. Sometimes it turns itself on with a scheduled rule, or you knocked it on by accident. With that on, only the people on your favourites list can ring. 3, everyone else goes silent. Third one, and it's a sneaky one. If your earbuds or your car stereo are connected in the background, your ringtone plays there, not out of your phone. Swipe down, tap Bluetooth off, or disconnect just the device you don't need. Try ringing your phone from another one. If the ring comes back loud and clear, that was your problem. Fourth one, if you've done all 3 and you still can't hear it, first turn off any raise to lower ring or flip to silence in the sound gestures menu. Then settings, sound and vibration, phone ringtone, pick one with actual weight to it, skip the whistles and the trickle noises. Go for something with a low tone that carries through a bag or a coat pocket. So that's your list. Ring slider up, do not disturb off, Bluetooth off, then a louder ringtone. 9 out of 10 times it's the first one, the sliders. Try that first before you go swapping ringtones.